Chicken sandwich or recipe. To boneless, skinless chicken breast, salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil. For slices of bread your choice, lettuce, leave as sliced tomatoes. Sliced onions, mayonnaise, or your preferred spread optional. Cheese slices, avocado slices, bacon. 1. Season the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder on both sides. 2. Cook the chicken in a skillet. Heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned chicken breasts and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Cooking time may vary based on the thickness of the chicken breasts. 3. Rest and slice. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the skillet and let it rest for a few minutes, then slice the chicken into thin strips. 4. Assemble the sandwiches. Toast the bread slices if desired. Spread mayonnaise or your preferred spread on one side of each bread slice. Place lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, and the cooked chicken slices on one slice of bread. You can also add cheese, avocado, or bacon if you like. 6. Serve. Your chicken sandwiches are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them as is, or with a side of chips, fries, or a fresh salad. Feel free to customize the sandwich with your favorite ingredients and condiments to make it exactly how you like it. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken sandwiches.